New tonight, we're learning more about coronavirus treatments used in North Alabama hospitals. Several of these treatments are still being researched, but one Huntsville doctor says she's seen them work.
WAAY 31's Megan Reyna joins us live outside of Huntsville Hospital tonight, and she breaks down those options. Megan, what did you learn?
Well, right behind me in Huntsville Hospital, there's a list of approved coronavirus treatments. That doesn't mean that they are 100% effective. Now, I learned from Hafsa Siddiqui is that they're still learning a lot about these options. Now, early on in this pandemic, Siddiqui says hydroxychloroquine was used widely. It's an immunosuppressive drug. However, some studies have shown it's not as effective as originally thought, but it's still approved for hospital use. Remdesivir is an antiviral treatment. Siddiqui says it has a favorable effective level. She says a study by Gilead shows it can reduce a stay in the hospital by 4 days. Dexamethasone is a steroid treatment. Siddiqui says this is used for patients on a ventilator. And then there's convalescent plasma therapy. It uses blood from people who have recovered from coronavirus. Just last month, the FDA issued emergency use of this therapy, so it too is in use at Huntsville Hospital. Siddiqui emphasizes that all these treatments I just explained are those for hospitalized with coronavirus.
The treatment that we implement on the patient are reserved for severely sick patient, and we define that as somebody is breathing very fast, more than 30 times a minute, oxygen levels in the blood are less than 93% and requiring oxygen. They are sick enough to be in the hospital.
Now, of course, many people with coronavirus will not be hospitalized. If you have COVID and are showing symptoms, your treatment may include some pain relievers like ibuprofen, cough syrup, lots of fluids, and rest. For those who are in the hospital, Siddiqui says that they are going to use these treatments early on. That's the most effective. Now, tonight, there are 64 patients in the hospital with coronavirus. Of those, 15 are in the ICU and 9 are on ventilators. Reporting live in Huntsville, Megan Reyna, WAAY 31 News.